Maley, and this is Kirby.
Hi!
And we are going to show you how to add on an empty number line, but
More efficiently!
right, so we really need to work on our efficiency when we're adding. So sometimes there's a better way to do things, and sometimes there's a less better way to do things. So we are going to actually take the better way today, and Kirby's going to show us how. So, Kirby, what do we need to do first?
Well, have you plugged everything in?
Oh, yes, everything is plugged in. We're good to go. Okay, so what's the first thing that we need to do, Kirby?
Well, you need an equation.
Okay, that's true. We're going to use the same equation that Mrs. Maley just used on the last video. So that equation is 32 plus 19.
Now, just so everybody knows, you can add in any order.
Really? So are you telling me that I could start at 19 if I wanted to? Or at 32?
Yeah, it doesn't matter what order you do. Well, in adding at least.
Okay, so what's the best place to start then, Kirby? Would I start at the 32 or would I start at the 19?
I always like to start at the bigger number.
Oh, okay, so is it okay if I start at the 32 again? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is, again, on the empty number line, we're going to start at 32. You're good with that? Alright, so here we are at the 32. Now that's the most efficient thing to do. Alright, so we're at 32. Now, what are we going to do next?
Well, I have a secret.
Oh, you have a secret. Okay, well, what's your secret?
I like to use friendly numbers.
You like to use a friendly number? Is it because you're such a friendly guy? Okay, well, Kirby, tell me what you mean by friendly number.
Well, 32 isn't that friendly.
Okay, so 32 is not a friendly number, so you're saying that you'd like to get to a friendly number first? Okay, so what's the next best friendly number from 32?
I would like to go to 40.
Okay, so Kirby would like to make it to 40 so that he's got a friendly number to work with. Now, what kind of numbers are normally friendly numbers?
Well, I like things that end with 5 or with 10s.
Oh, okay, so you're saying 40 is kind of a tens number, so that's easier. Okay, so how are you going to do that, Kirby?
Well, I need to steal some ones.
Wait a minute. I thought you said that these were going to be friendly numbers. Oh, okay, he's not actually stealing, he's just... Are you borrowing? Okay, so he's not going to steal the numbers, he's just going to borrow them, so we're okay. So, Kirby, then, tell me where you're going to borrow them from.
Well, I'm going to borrow them from the 19.
Okay, so what are you going to borrow?
Well, I know that 2 and 8 make 10.
Okay, so you're saying that I need to take 8 from over here to join with the 2 to make a 10. Okay, well if I take 8 from 19, that means I only have one 1 left. So you're telling me that instead of 19, we're just going to have 11. We're going to give 8 to 32. And then once we're adding 8, we get to 40. All right. Does that look good to you?
Yep, good job so far.
Okay, so now we don't have 32 plus 19 anymore because we borrowed those 8 and we gave them to the 32. So now we're at 40. So now what?
Now you get to jump.
Oh, I like to jump. No, you're not talking about that kind of jumping. What kind of jumping are you talking about?
You get to jump by 10.
Oh, okay, great. Well, we really like jumping by 10. So now we have this 11. So we're at 40. And we need to jump, you're saying, split these into 10s and 1s. Okay, so we're going to jump the 10. And 40 plus 10 is 50! Oh, good. You really like those friendly numbers. Okay, so 40 plus 10 is 50. Now we're at 50. And then what?
You have one little baby one left.
Oh, okay. So now that we've jumped our 10, we just have one little 1 left. All right. So it looks like we're ending at 51. Did we do this right, Kirby?
Yeah, you guys are the best.
Okay, well, thanks so much for your help, Kirby. So if everybody understands, what we're doing is we're making a friendly number first, and then we're jumping the leftovers. Thanks for watching.
All right, boys and girls, so since you've now seen how to add efficiently or in the first way, which is okay too, it's your turn. I would like you to try to add these equations. 44 plus 37 and 66 plus 22. Good luck!